Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the best shampoo that I use to get rid of dry dandruff. I was struggled for many months, uh, about 6 or 7 months, that my scalp is dry and I have some dryness and some dry flakes. So I was using a lot of shampoos, professional or dermocosmetic, like I was talking in other videos that I post on my channel. But today I want to show you how I get rid of dandruff for real. That is my scalp, and I have some redness in this area because I have in this point a little bit of dryness more, and some itchiness, and only in this part I have this point, but in the rest of my hair, like you see, it is very clean. Let me show you. It is very clean. The dry dandruff is disappear, and I'm glad that the shampoos that I use are sulfate free, are also parabens free, and a little bit more natural. So let me show you. First of all, I was using the 3 special shampoo for invigorating cleanser. You already saw this shampoo in other videos, but I was using this one a couple of times, but for me didn't go very well because has a very pronounced scent of tea tree and lavender, and also has peppermint, but this make my scalp even more dry, and I don't use it anymore. This, it is vegan, it is paraben free, but it is made in US, and it is distributed by John Paul Mitchell system. It is professional, but I don't use it anymore. For other person that has dandruff, maybe this will work, so you can give it a try. Another shampoo that I was using in this last month was the Kerastase anti-dandruff. It is the professional line from L'Oreal. Maybe you know, it is made in Spain. This shampoo has like Paul Mitchell shampoo, a creamy texture, has a nice smell. This one is more fresh and floral smell. It is creamy and it makes a lot of foam. It is good for dry scalp and also for greasy scalp. This one for me was good, but I didn't succeed to get rid of dandruff 100%, but also you can try it, this one too. Another good shampoo that I was using was this Christophe Robin. It is made in France. I was buying this from Sephora. I don't know if you can find it in other places or website, but this is a purifying shampoo with thermal mud for rebalanced, detoxified scalp and moisturized ends. It is also good for stressed scalp. I was pleased with this one because also when I lather my shampoo, this gets to my ends, and other shampoos that are made for to fight against dandruff made my ends very dry. This one, no. This one is also good for your ends. Has also good ingredients, and detoxify the scalp to reduce the damage effect of pollution for clean and refreshing feeling. Was good. I am going to use it in the future, but maybe once or twice a month, just to detoxify my scalp and other impurities that may just go over my scalp. So you can try it, this one too. And the big winner for my dandruff, I was searching for so many times, and I am very excited that I found it finally. I was bought this in Sephora, and it is from Briogeo. It is the Scalp Revival Mega Strength for dandruff control with charcoal and BHA with salicylic acid. I guess that this shampoo has BHA, which we know that exfoliates the scalp, but in a very gentle way, and also with salicylic acid it has 3%. This is the reason that my scalp get rid of dandruff using this shampoo. It has, like you see, a creamy texture, gray color. It made a lot of foam. It is made in US, also like Paul Mitchell. Has good ingredient. It is a line that you can use it every day. This is another good reason that I was buying this one and starting to use it, because I need a shampoo that can I use 2 times per week. This is how often I wash my hair. And by Christoph Robin, they say it is a detoxifying shampoo that you can use it once a week or once a month, depends on how your scalp it is. And for this shampoo, I am very happy that I can use it more often. Like I said, I wash my hair 2 times per week to have a nice refresh and clean scalp. It didn't dry my ends. My hair is washed. Yesterday I was washing my hair, and this is fresh. You can see that my ends aren't dry. And with this one I succeed to manage my dry scalp and dandruff. I guess that is a little bit pricey, but when you struggle with dandruff for so many times, you will get to pay whatever it costs to have such a nice scalp, because you know, the hair is such an important accessory for us women, and we admire so much other women that have nice hair, shiny hair, but to achieve this kind of healthy look, healthy hair, you have first of all to have a healthy scalp. And when you are born with wonderful hair, natural color, and a good balanced scalp, all is good. But when you struggle for so many months and years with dandruff, you get to pay a lot for your shampoo. And to be honest, I was paying in last period of time a lot of money, trying different shampoos, different brands, different recommendation that I was watching on YouTube or when on other website. So if you struggle with dandruff, dry dandruff, I highly recommend to try this one, to give it a chance and to see if it works for you. I was so excited with this line and this brand that I'm going to buy the mask from Briogeo, Don't Despair Repair line from them, because I want to have nice mid ends also, and because my conditioner is already start to finish, and I want to replace the conditioner with a mask, with a hair mask. This is another hack that I was using a couple of years ago when I was buying hair mask and use this after I shampoo my hair, not using conditioner, because conditioner, every conditioner, no matter what brands, has a light texture, but the hair mask, the good ones, are more thicker, and you pay more in some cases, but you have to use it just a little bit and to nourish your ends, and has also very good nutrients for health of the hair. And I will let you know if the mask from Briogeo it is also very good, and my hair reaction very good to that mask. Also, if you want to know, I have color hair. This is my color hair. I am a brunette on the root, like you see. I have fine hair with dry scalp. When it is colder, I have more dry scalp, even when we are in the winter time. And in the summer time, I struggle more with greasiness and greasy scalp. So I hope you will find helpful this video to help you to find a good anti-dandruff shampoo. If you like my video, please let me know in the comments, and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would like you to have in my community. I continue to post beauty videos every Monday and Friday, and I would like you in the comment section to know what hair types you have and what struggle you have with your hair, and what product works for your necessity of the hair. So I hope you enjoy this video. So till next one, bye bye guys.